Welcome to my video. Today I want to show you how I made a black soap, and I do not so often make a black soap because I hate all this powdered black mica kind of activated chocolate thing all around my home and my body and my fingers and so on. That is why I prepared the black activated chocolate with oil before I did the soap, and you cannot see it, but it works much better for me in this way. This video and the soap is inspired by Soapworks. She did a video tutorial on this black soap with confettis inside, and I find this so magical and wonderful, and even her tutorials all together are very good. So I will link her video down below, and I just did the same as she did, and now I will show you my black magic soap. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye, ciao!